What up, guys? Today is an exciting day. I'm first gonna go to... Hey, kiddos!
Hey!
What's up? What's up?
Hey.
Bye, see you later.
Bye. Where are you going?
To town. First, I'm going to the city to play with the Sarajevo Drum Orchestra in the town square. We have a performance, and then after that, I'm gonna go for a long birthday party up in a restaurant, one of the hills around Sarajevo somewhere. It's a hotel restaurant place. They want the long 2-hour birthday party with a bunch of older kids. Apparently, we'll see how that goes. Should be fun. We're all dressed up and ready to go, all matching like a proper boy band. Check this out, see? The same, huh? Cool stuff. More of us over there.
Još jedan, šta ćemo? Daćemo me bratski, da, moje, da, uzmi ti rad. I za bez veze. Vidi ovaj.
Awesome. That was a ton of fun. Now I just gotta hurry to the birthday party or I'm gonna be late. Okay, well now I just gotta meet up with my partner in crime in children's animation here in this fancy park of a place. I mean, how many of you have a fancy park thingy just randomly around in your city? This is not the only one. There are tons of these everywhere. So now we just need to find Adna. So right here behind me, I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, there's a really fancy restaurant place, and inside they have a children's playground. I think I see Adna coming. And yeah, but we're not going to be doing the birthday party in this children's place. We're actually going to be transported up on the mountain, which is like half an hour away, where they have a hotel and restaurant, bigger, fancier, and That's why the birthday party is gonna be. I can tell you she is completely lost. Lucky I found her, otherwise she'd be wandering around that place forever. You lost person. This is my favorite cancer patient. This is the cool inside place, but it's deserted, no kids here, and we're not going to be here. The only people in here, creatures, are the turtles. Party's done. Was long but fun. I don't know what her problem is.
Party's done. It was long but fun.
I got a free pair of awesome shades, right? Yeah, she says I can keep them.
They're not so awesome because I wouldn't give it to him. It was so awesome.
Liar. So, what do you think of our party? How did it go?
I think our party was really good because we ate really delicious cake.
Ah, our party was good because we ate delicious cake.
And we ate really delicious pie.
And we ate really delicious
the
pie.
The kids were, well, they weren't so polite.
We had awful rude kids. They were just jumping all over us, pulling off our hair.
But they weren't interested to play with us at all. And we were really colorful and really loud, and we had a guitar. So we couldn't do anything more to get them interested.
We played some games with them. They had fun. I made a tournament.
A few of them.
Well, can't please everybody.
But they were like too late to play with us. And I hate that.
And so our filming continues. Now we're doing some super dramatic night scenes with blue light everywhere to make it super cold and scary. That feeling when you have to use a clothes peg and napkin to diffuse thousands of dollars worth of lighting equipment.
So I'm the replacement drunken father. And I'm not actually in the shot. What's important is that shadow over there when I drink. Okay, so let me explain the safety measures we have taken to make this shot. No safety measures!
Whatsoever.
Do not do that at home.
Yes, you heard her.
Children.